Good morning. Today topic is very important. Data normalization. What is a data normalization? Data normalization is a technique of organization. The data in the database normalization is a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy. That means what is that redundancy? Means that repetitions and undesirable characteristics like insertion, updation, deletion, etc. These are anomalies. It is multi-step process that puts data into tabular form, removing duplicated data from the relation tables. Here the definition, see, it is critical to understand. Normalization is a technique of organizing the data in the database. Normalization is a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy and undesirable characteristics like insert, update, and deletion. Anomalies. It is a multi-step process that puts data into tabular form, removing duplicate data from the tabular relation table forms. Some characteristics of some facts on data normalization, and that we have three facts on that one. You see that first one is the words normalization and normal forms refer to the structure of database. The words normalization, normal form refers to the structure of a database. Normalization was developed by IBM researcher E.F. Card in 1970s. Normalization developed by Dr. E.F. Card in 1970s. Normalization increases clarity in organizing data in a database. Organizing data in a database. Purpose of data normalization. Normalization is used to mainly two purposes: eliminating redundancy, that is useless data. Why the data normalization used? Normalization used for mainly two purposes. First one is the eliminating redundant, that is a useless data. Second one is the ensuring data dependencies makes sense, that is data is logically stored. In first one is the useless data to be deleted. Second one is the ensuring data dependencies makes sense, that is data is logically related. The information is to be in table form, that is logically related or not. These two conditions you are the process of data to be normalized. Some why normalization avoids, why you are using the normalization avoids of some particular avoidation of normalization. Avoid of normalization. These are four steps, there are four basic parts is there for avoiding of normalization, and that one you have. First one is the duplication of data. Duplication of data. This same data is listed in a multiple lines of the database. Duplication of data in this one, the same data in listed in multiple lines of table. In case of you have any table C, and that one duplication of data, the columns to the lines to be duplicated. For example, roll number 21 repeated more times in that table. On that time you can eliminating that particular line, that particular row. Second one is the insert anomaly. In this one, a record about an entity cannot be inserted into the table without first inserting information about another entity. cannot enter a customer without a sales order. For example, is given on that one. What is the insert anomaly? A record about an entity cannot be inserted into the table without first inserting information about another entity. For example, cannot enter a customer without a sales order. For an example on that one, you can enter into the customer's information, and that one table you inserted the customer's information without is giving sales information, but it did not give the any sales order, but the information to be stored in the customer table. This way the table to be inserted. Second one, that is the third one. It is the second one. Understand clearly. Cannot enter a customer without a sales order. And that one, the customer information to be stored in a without any sales in particular customer table. Third one is the delete anomaly. In this one, what the topic we have in this one? A record cannot be deleted without deleting a record about a related entity. A record cannot be deleted without deleting a record about a related entity. Cannot delete a sales order without deleting all the customers' information. Here, this same it is very difficult to. You cannot delete a sales order without deleting all of the customers' information. Cannot delete on the particular information of delete sales order without deleting of all the customers' information, and that deleting anomalies. The fourth one is the update anomalies. Cannot update information without changing information in many places. Cannot update information without changing information in many places. To update customer information, it must be updated for each sales order the customer has placed. Cannot update information without changing information in many places. In this fourth one, the customer information, that is the update anomalies, cannot update information without changing the information in many places. To update customer information, it must be updated for each sales order the customer has placed. These basic 4 points you can, based on this normalization avoids these rules to be updated in a particular manner. The normalization avoids. Based on these 4, first one is the duplication of data, second one is the insert anomaly, third one is the data delete anomaly, fourth one is the update anomaly. By using these 4, you can avoid the normalization. Then you can for rules of data normalization. Why you are using the rules for normalization in particular manner? The rules of normalization. Normalization rules are divided into the following normal forms. The first rule is the first normal form. Second rule is the second normal form. Third rule is the third normal form. Fourth rule is the BCNF, boycotted normal form. By using these 4 rules, you can eliminate these anomalies on particular manner. The process of normalization, and that one you can discuss about a first normal form. In this one, what is the first normal form? Generally, normal form define a database normalization is a technique of organizing the data in the database. Normalization is a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy and undesirable characteristics like insert, delete, update, anomalies. In this one, first normal form based on then what known first normal form. An entity is in the first normal form. For example, an entity in a first normal form, if entity is in first normal form state, if it contains no repeating groups, this is the first condition. An entity is in the first normal form. If an entity is in the first normal form, if it contains no repeating groups in a relational terms. A table is in the first normal form if it contains no repeating columns. In this table also you can have no repeating columns. Repeating columns makes your data less flexible. If you are giving any repeating columns is there, the table is given the columns make your data less flexible. Where disk space, and that one here waste disk space, and makes it more difficult to search for a data. In case of these are some problems you are facing, it is a duplicate data is available on that particular table. What are that one? An entity is in the first normal form. If an entity is in the first normal form, if it contains no repeating groups, on that one you have no repeated elements, no repeated groups on the table. In a relational term, a table is in the first normal form if it contains no repeating terms. If in case discussed in about the tables on that time, and the relational tables on that time, if you have no columns to be repeated. Repeating columns to make your data less flexible. Repeating columns, it make your data less flexibility, waste disk space, and makes it more difficult to search for a data. For a table, you consider any table on that one. For a table to be in the first normal form, if your table is in case of in a first normal form, it should follow some rules on that one. The rules to be as follows. The first rule is it should only have single atomic valued attributes or columns. If it is a first normal form in a table, that particular columns and rows, it should be some follows: single values, that is the atomic values. Attributes are columns. These are all single. Attributes are columns. It should be single. That is the atomic value. It should only have atomic single values. Attributes are columns. Second rule is values stored in a column should be of the same domain. Values, in case of values are stored in the column, that should be stored in only, it should be of the same domain. All the domain values to be stored in same column. That is the second one. The third rule is that all the columns in a table should have unique names. In this particular table we are using the columns names, that is a unique names. There is no same names should not be used in that particular table. All the columns in a table should have unique names. And the fourth one is the order in which the data is stored does not matter. In case of the data to be stored, it does not matter. We can store in data in any order. Note, in this one, your conditions as follow on that one. And the order in which data is stored does not matter. In first normal form, the order of tuples, that means tuples means that rows, and attributes, that means columns. Tuples means rows, attributes means columns. Does not matter. That means you can insert that values to be add any order. That is tuples means that rows, attributes means that columns should be, you can insert it any order. You consider one table, that is the example on the table, that you have 4 columns. That is the order. Second one is the customer. Third one is the contact person. Fourth one is the total. And order 2, in case of the order 1, that is the Rishabh, contact person is the Manish, total is 134.23. We have different 3 columns. Order 2, Preeti, customer is the Preeti, contact person is the Rohan, the total is the 521.24. Third one is the order is the 3, that is the Rishabh, contact person is the Manish, total is the 1042.42. Order is the 4, customer is the Rishabh, contact person is the Manish, 928.53. The above relation satisfies the properties of a relation and is said to be the first normal form or 1NF. Conceptually, it is convenient to have all the information in one relation, since it is then likely to be easier to query the database. Here in this table you can discuss all the points to be same manner. All the points in the same manner. These satisfy the 4 rules. It should be only single atomic valued attributes in columns. See that table, there is no repeated columns or attributes. Or similarly, should you have only single atomic valued attributes or columns. Here they given is the 4 columns and 4 give different way. For example, order, customer, contact person, total. These are 4 in different ways. They did not be multiple columns is there. Second point also, it is to be stored. Value stored in a column should be the same domain. For example, orders all to be stored in order column, customers to be stored in customer column. Similarly, contact person to be stored in contact person column, and similarly total values of the particular first the amount of to be stored in total column. Then the 4 columns to be stored in separate way. They did not contain in different ways. Okay, they did not values to be stored in different columns in different values or different domains. All the values stored in columns should be in the same domain. That rule also satisfied. Then go to the third rule. All the columns in a table should have unique names. This also satisfied. The column names are all should be unique names. They did not repeated unique names of particular columns. Why they are first name is the order, first column name is the order, second column name is the customer, third column name is the contact person, and fourth column name is the total. These are also different. Further, the third rule also the same. And fourth one is the and the order in which data is stored does not matter. The table already filled the table. Already filled table. The table you don't know which column to be, which data to be stored in which way, but the values to be all are stored or filled. For that there is no problem that particular column. In the relation, the order of tuples means that is rows, and attributes that means columns does not matter. You can fill the order in any way. Based on these 4 rules, the first one table to be satisfying all rules about the properties of particular table. The above relation satisfies the properties of relation and is said to be in the first normal form, that is the 1NF. Conceptually, it is convenient to have all the information in one relation, since it is then likely to be easier to query the database. Based on the first normal form, you can discuss about the second, third, fourth, and third normal form and a Bayesian of normal form. You can clearly understand the first normal form, then you can discuss about a second normal form. Thank you guys. Tomorrow you can discuss the second normal form.